What is CFM and PC case airflow? Imagine trying to keep your gaming computer cool during an intense battle or a long streaming session. The secret to effective cooling often comes down to a simple measurement called CFM. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute, and it tells you how much air a fan can move through your computer case in 1 minute. Think of it as the fan's ability to push air, which is super important for keeping your components like the CPU and graphics card from overheating. When you pick fans with higher CFM ratings, you're choosing fans that can move more air, helping to carry away heat faster and keep your system running smoothly. This is especially vital in gaming PCs, where components work harder and generate more heat. But there's a catch. Fans that push more air tend to be louder because they spin faster or have bigger blades. So, you need to find a good balance between airflow and noise. Larger fans can move more air at lower speeds, which means quieter operation while still providing good cooling. Proper setup is key too. Usually, you'll want intake fans at the front of your case to pull in cool air and exhaust fans at the back or top to push out hot air. This creates a steady flow that keeps everything cool. When selecting case fans, look at their CFM ratings to match your needs. For example, if you're overclocking or gaming 4 hours, go for fans with higher CFM to prevent overheating. Also, consider the size of the fans. Larger fans, like 120 or 140 millimeters, can move more air at lower speeds than smaller ones, which helps keep noise levels down. Remember, good cable management also helps airflow. Keep cables tidy so they don't block the air paths. Overall, understanding CFM helps you choose the right fans for your build, making sure your PC stays cool during those epic gaming moments. Proper airflow setup with the right fans and placement can make a big difference in performance and longevity of your components. So, next time you're building or upgrading your PC, check the CFM ratings and plan your airflow path carefully. It's a simple step that can lead to cooler, quieter, and more reliable gaming sessions.